Once the GCPs and CPs are placed by DGP's team, we use the same KML file for flight planning and data acquisition, which involves flying the LiDAR drone to capture LiDAR point. The flying part is not covered in this video series, but if you want a video on that, please comment below LiDAR drone. Raw data. When the drone flight is completed, we receive various raw data, including individual short lace data, LiDAR point from different flight lines, CSV or text file from GCP or CP from DGP's team, and LiDAR IMU calibration file, PPK RTK file if only LiDAR is used. When LiDAR is combined with photogrammetry like DJI L1 or L2, there are additional photos. Let's understand this with an example. This is a DJI LiDAR L1 data. Here we can see images with other files like LDR file, RTK file, IMU calibration file and others. Pre-process. In this stage, individual LiDAR points are processed to create a single point cloud, which we'll learn in the upcoming videos along with the software used for it. Data processing. This is the most important stage where flight lines are aligned, unclassified points are classified, that is, ground, trees, building, vegetation, bridge, water, car, pole, etc. And we build various models like digital surface model, digital terrain model and contours are created. We will learn about the software used for this in the upcoming videos. Along with the processing, analysis is also conducted, such as finding power lines, identifying active power lines, identifying object like trees, branches touching power lines, and identifying sagging power lines. Similarly, in the case of roads and railway, brake lines are found, slope arrows are drawn, clearance label are applied, side distance are calculated, center lines are drawn, paint lines are drawn, etc. Likewise, for trees, identification and counting of trees, measuring trees height, identifying high and low vegetation area, and much more is done. CAD. Most of the clients require CAD files in DXF or DWG format for designing purpose. We will create a separate video series for designing in AutoCAD, covering basics to advanced training. For now, this is all about LiDAR data processing. The complete video series is available on our website www.droneschools.in, where you can enroll. If you have any questions, you can call us or ask via WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.